Hi guys, as most of you requested and 67% of them wanted the recipe of egg masala curry. I am here with the recipe. So let's get started. Here I am taking 3 eggs which are boiled earlier and making few holes with the help of a fork. You need to do the same way and later take a frying pan and to that add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, and you need to take half spoon red chili powder, half spoon turmeric powder and half spoon salt, and add the boiled eggs which we made just now and fry for good 2 to 3 minutes. Here I am taking 3 boiled eggs. For that you would need 3 medium size onions and 2 medium size tomatoes. After frying the boiled eggs in red chili, turmeric and salt, we need to keep the pan aside. Don't overcook or burn it. Make sure that the spices are not burnt. Later you need to take a kadai. In that add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Here I am using caraway seeds, shajira popularly known as in India, half spoon of it, and 1 bay leaf, 2 cardamoms, green cardamoms and 2-inch cinnamon stick, and letting them to fry in the onion for 1 to 2 minutes. Later I have added 3 to 4 green chilies and 10 to 20 curry leaves and cooked for good 1 to 2 minutes. Here I have made the onions paste using 3 medium size onions and added it after the green chilies are nicely sauteed. Later I have added ginger garlic paste. Now I am adding red chili powder, turmeric and garam masala and salt to the gravy which I am going to make for the egg masala curry. Make sure that the masala red chili powder doesn't burn. Immediately after that I would add tomatoes and fry for some time. Later I have taken 1 spoon desiccated coconut powder, 6 cashews and 1 spoon poppy seed and grinded into a fine powder in a mixing jar. After the tomatoes paste is nicely cooked, I have added the powder which I have made using coconut, cashews and poppy seeds and cooked for 1 to 2 minutes and added some water for the gravy and closed the lid and let it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes. To this I have added some water and let it cook for some time till the oil oozes out, and I have added the eggs which were boiled and fried. And our egg masala curry is ready to be served. So guys, I hope you like this recipe, and if you try it, let me know in the comment section below. Do check the description for the ingredients and their quantity, and see you next time. Take care. Bye.